Hey guys, it's Larry, and today we are doing another plan with me. I am working in the month of October. I'm going to actually be doing the 14th through the 20th. So there's a lot of really cool Halloween or spooky type theme free sticker printable kits out there, and I wanted to show you a couple. So I'm actually probably going to do 2 or 3. I may do the whole rest of the month in these type of layouts, but this is the first one that I chose, and this is really cool. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you can see it, but the colors are cool. The images are really fun and, well, spooky and kind of gothic. And these are from PlannerOneLove. She is just adorable. I've used her free printable planner stickers on many occasions. I'll have a link for her below where you can download these for free. And look at 2 full pages of artwork stickers to use. So if you want to plan along with me, then go get this download, get your planner out, and let's see what happens. I haven't picked out any washi tape yet, but come plan with me and let's have some fun. Okay guys, so I have shared with you that this is the planner sticker layout that I'm going to use. This is from PlannerOneLove, and it is called, what is it called? I forget. Wicked Burgundy. There it is. Wicked Burgundy by PlannerOneLove. And I uploaded all of those PDF files into my Cricut, and these are the actual stickers that I made. If you're interested in how I do this, I'll put a link below so you can see. But this is how I made my stickers, and obviously I didn't do all of her 2 pages worth because the variations are endless and wonderful. So I just printed what I think I'm going to actually use in this week's layout, and I can always add more. But this is what I came up with. And I am going to get my drink out. I've got an iced latte that I'm going to sit down with, and if you want to plan along with me, then come on, download those files. Music's going to start. Let's have some fun, and let's see how this week turns out. Well, guys, I think this is it. So I actually love it. I think it's really cool. I did not end up adding any additional washi, as you can see. The only stickers that I have left are 3 mini check boxes, which I will use as I fill in if I have appointments or whatever else is going on. And that's it. So I think this is a beautiful kit. Please, if you didn't download it already, check out PlannerOneLove. She's got some great stuff. She's wonderful. She also has had a store. I don't know. I think it's still open, and I have bought some artwork from her and some stickers. So she does great work, guys. So check her out. And I hope you had fun. So thanks for planning along with me. I am going to punch a hole here where my sticker overlapped with my hole punch. And I'm ready to go. So thank you again for being here with me. Remember, I will be here Fridays with Plan With Me's, and then throughout the week at different times with different tutorials or fun stuff or whatever else comes up. And I will see you in the next video. Remember, always be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.